this video, I am going to show you how I achieved this makeup look, which is my everyday makeup routine. I hope you enjoy. So I already did my morning skincare routine, including the primer, so we're going to skip that. First, let's go with this cushion foundation. This is from SOMETHINC, the copy paste breathable cushion shade Goddess. This is an Indonesian brand and I totally love them because they're really light and their shade range is amazing. So it looks like this. I usually just tap a thin layer on the 3 white surfaces of my face, cheeks and forehead, and then just go around the small surfaces like this, and then we blend them. I know my hair is in the way, but I usually put this on first and then I put on my hair roll because I have bangs and I'm going to roll them later. Because it's a thin layer, you probably won't be able to see the difference, but I feel like that's the whole point. You just want to even out your skin tone. This lighting is really bad, right? But I want to do this video in the bathroom because the lighting is right above my head. So yeah, this cushion's coverage is, I actually don't know. I think they're medium and they're definitely buildable, but I'm not that big on coverage. That's not what I look for in a foundation. So a thin layer like this is fine. You can still see my acne scars, but that's fine. As I said, I'm going to roll my hair. Maybe I should also do a hair care routine. Let me just... You know what, I actually don't know if I'm doing this right. I'm just doing this my own way. Like that. Okay, now let's move on to concealer. For concealer, I use the SAM. I think it's a Korean brand. I use shade 2.75. I feel like this is the best concealer I've ever used in terms of coverage. But they're not that light, so if you're looking for a lightweight, if you're looking for a light concealer, maybe this isn't for you. I put 2 little dots under each eye. I draw lines in an upward motion here and on my cheeks. Learned it from TikTok, of course. So I don't use brush ever because I feel like these babies are the best tools you'll ever have to put on your makeup. And then I use the excess on my fingers to cover my acne scars that are still dark. How do you call this again? Powder? Yeah. I'm gonna put on some powder. I use Body Shop's powder. Very random, but I kind of like it. It's in shade 42. I am also going to use my fingers for this. Just tap on the powder like this. Tap it on your face, just like this. I know you can still see the eye bags, but that's okay, it's natural. Okay, now let's contour our face. I'm using this Maybelline contouring stick, V-Face Duo Stick in shade, not sure, oh, medium. Now let's draw on our face. See, one thing I would like to point out is that I'm not professional. I'm just doing what I've seen people do on YouTube, on TikTok, and I just modify them into whatever works for me. there's a highlighter at the other end, and I'm just gonna put it here. I'm going to draw on my jawline. I still haven't found the best way to contour your jawline. So I've just been, you know, like drawing them straight like this. Okay, now let's blend them with the fingers again. You know, this probably doesn't give that much of a difference in real life, let alone on camera. But that's okay. I'm okay with not looking like I have a sculpted face. So we're done with the contouring. Now let's draw our eyebrows. I already have a lot of hair on my eyebrows, so I don't really do much on them. I brush them first just to make out the shape. And then I draw them really thinly, starting from the bottom line, and then extend them here, and then start from the middle and draw it like this, and don't go too much on the bottom. It's like this. We're going to do the same on the left side. Yeah, at first your eyebrows have to look like a caterpillar, like two caterpillars facing each other. But after you brush them out, they look fine. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's do our eyes. I use two palettes for my eyes. One is from Clio, and the other one is from Roman. Sometimes I use one of them, sometimes I use both. I just like to be extra sometimes. So I use this dark brown shade to create an eyeliner. It's really just a shadow. I draw them here, here, and then over here. It's not that visible because the point of this eyeliner is just to create a shadow. This is just to give the illusion that my eyes are deeper than they actually are. Draw them up till here, till here. That'll do for now. From this palette, I usually use this one. Again, I also use my fingers for this. And then just put it in the middle of the eye, and then gradually go side to side. It's not supposed to look that strong. We just want to have a subtle pink, a subtle shade of pink. Can you see it? I can see it. I can see it in the mirror. Let's do a darker shade here. I have never done this shade before, but I kind of want to today. It looks darker than I intended it to be, but that's okay. Now let's put on some glitter. Today I'm going to use this glitter. And just tap on, tap on, tap on. Just really slightly. And then my favorite part, blush. I use this blush from Can Make. It's a Japanese brand, I think, and I'm using this cream blush in shade 16. I'm going to do the heart style. I think that's how you call it. This is the heart style of blush. So here, and then I'm going to put a little on my nose right here. It's like a little band there. I always go from one style to another when it comes to blush. I used to put it here, like the apple style, but now I just put it on my cheekbones and like here on the bridge of my nose. But this is just like the W letter. You can't really see what I've done to my face on the camera. Maybe I should have done my makeup a little bolder, a little thicker just for the camera. I don't know. But like I'm going outside in a bit. That's probably not a good idea. Oh, and I don't usually put on eyelashes because I really love them and I don't want to damage them. I only put eyelashes on for big events. I usually just curl them. Now the lipstick. I don't know what lipstick I'm going with. This is my go-to lipstick. Roman Juicy Lasting Tint in shade 8 Apple Brown. These days I've been using the one from the same brand, same type, and shade 13 It Dotori. So I don't know which one I'm gonna use today. Maybe I'll use this because I've been using that red one for a week straight now, and then maybe it's time to go back to this one, lip balm again. Let's just put this lippy on. Okay, now for one of the final steps in this makeup routine, I will put on this. Ooh, it looks really dirty. I'm going to put on this Dewy Face Glow by Eyebrow. I'm going to put this on my cheek, and it's going to serve as highlighter. Like this, and then we just blend them. Finally, now let's curl our lashes. I don't do anything too crazy with it. I literally just curl and then spray this makeup setting spray. Yep, we're done. And then let me just spray this setting spray. This is the final makeup look. I'm going to do my hair a little bit and change just so that you can see the whole look with the outfit, with the hair and everything. So this is the final look. I've got my bangs down. This is the outfit that I'll be wearing today. I'm actually not going anywhere. I know I said I was going to go out, but that's really only to the hotel lounge to work on my thesis. I'm so responsible. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup video. I know it's not perfect. This is my first time filming this kind of video, and I'm still not used to talking in front of the camera, let alone explaining something to the camera. I hope it helped you in some kind of way. That is my everyday makeup routine. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. See you in the next video. Y'all, I forgot to do one step. Aegyosar. I'm using this tea eyeliner from, where's this from? Etude. I'm going to use this to draw under my eyes. Okay, that's it. That's really it. Bye bye again.